Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's vlog is super awaited Avakaya vlog, that is mango pickle vlog. I'm going to show you how it is traditionally made in India. Right from the scratch, from shopping to putting the avakaya, I'm going to show you everything. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel K Cooks. Hit the subscribe button down below and also the bell icon, because whenever I upload a video, you'll get all my notifications. I also have a Telugu channel where you can watch all these videos in Telugu. That's called K Cooks Telugu. Please subscribe to that as well. And do check out my Instagram, K Cooks Recipes. You'll get some amazing food photos and all the updates regarding my YouTube channels. So this is actually the market opposite to JNT Hyderabad and Kukatpalli. So this is a very famous vegetable market. You get lots of different vegetables, fruits, and also you get a lot of beautiful flowers. And especially this mango season, you get to see a lot of varieties of raw mangoes. So one fundamental rule when we are preparing mango pickles is that the mangoes should be as sour as possible. So I found this cute little board that's put up in front of a shop that says "Don't cry looking at me," and there's a cute little monkey teasing us. So each basket here has a different variety of mangoes. So they just get to give you a small taste of each variety, and then you get to choose which one you like the most. So traditionally, as I told you, the mangoes should be as sour as possible. Then once you mix all the powders into these mango pieces, then all these mango pieces absorb the powders, and then the sourness comes into the gravy or the pickle, and then you get a super perfect avocado. So we've kept looking at mangoes at different stores. I mean, all of them are just side by side, so you get to choose which varieties you like the most. So we were taking these mangoes because we like them a lot, and also they were very sour, so that's a huge plus to put our pickle. So these are actually our chosen mangoes. So now that our first step of choosing the mangoes is done, we need to wash them very clean, because they're sold roadside and there's a lot of dirt on the mangoes too. So this will be the final time when you're washing the mangoes before preparing the pickle. So wash it very nicely and wipe it with a very clean cloth. So we brought water from home, and also we brought our own wiping cloths from home too. So that is one thing you should be very careful about. Also, while wiping the mangoes, you have to make sure that there is no water or even any moisture on these mangoes, because that will spoil the entire pickle. So you should be very careful. Basically, if you know the anatomy of a mango, there's a huge seed in between. So it's very difficult for our knives at home to cut such hard mangoes. So usually the shopkeepers cut for us for a nominal charge. Even the seed gets cut with such huge knives. I don't know, do you call these knives, or let's just call them mango cutters? So this is the point where you get to choose the size of the mango pieces. We chose medium to large size, because whenever you put the mango pickle and then after a few days or weeks, these mango pieces tend to shrink. So it's better to always choose a larger size. So we actually wanted to put three different types of mango pickle. Um, so we are taking these many mango pieces that will last the entire year till the next summer. So basically, after this stage, we'll be using these mango pieces directly to prepare the pickle. So we wanted our own clean cloth, so we got a very clean old bedsheet from home. So now that our mango pieces are ready, we need to shop for our other ingredients. So we wanted to put three different types of mango pickles. So the ingredients vary, but the basic ingredients are mirchi powder, salt, mustard seed powder, and oil. Don't get me wrong if I miss anything. And also asafoetida. We actually bought this one, but after going home, we noticed that it had no flavor or no smell at all. So we had used our own powdered asafoetida that we had at home. And now comes the actual process. We need methi powder, so we are dry roasting the methi or fenugreek seeds, and then we are cooling it down and just grinding them into a fine powder. These are actually the mango pieces that we got from the store, and we have actually divided that into three different batches for three different types of mango pickle. So here's another important step. You have to peel off a small little layer that's on top of the hard part on each mango piece. Actually, this is a little tricky, but I really enjoyed this process. Also, clean hands are very, very important, else you have every single chance in the world to spoil your mango pickle. So these are actually the leftovers and the small little seed parts that we've kept aside. And in some pickles they also use the seed part. They I don't know, maybe they wash it, but they actually use the water that is treated with these seeds into the pickle to get a beautiful taste. So this is how our mangoes look like. So we have actually put it with 25 mangoes, but even for 25, for me personally, it felt like a lot. But my parents told me that during their childhood, especially during my dad's childhood, they used to put mango pickles with like 200, 300, or even 500 raw mangoes. Can you even imagine? It seems they used to have a special room only for mangoes and mango pickles. So one whole room was for ripe mangoes. So whenever they used to feel like eating ripe mangoes, they used to just go into that room and binge on mangoes. So we have sesame seed powder, fenugreek seed powder, both of them dry roasted and ground, and just the normal mirchi powder, salt, mustard seed powder, and oil. So these are the three types of pickles that we're keeping. One is the normal raw mango pickle. The second one is nuvugai, that is raw mango pickle with roasted sesame seed powder. And the third variety is mentikai, that is raw mango pickle with roasted methi seeds, that is fenugreek seeds. So this one is the raw mango normal pickle that we're doing currently. We've put in our dry powder, that is mustard seed powder, and also mirchi powder into this. So that's my mom doing the measurements. That's not me. I still don't know how to put mango pickles. So guys, reminding you again, your place whenever you're putting mango pickle should be like a desert. Okay, there should be not even a single water drop nearby. Like, just move 1,000 kilometers away, or just take a ticket, fly to a desert, and then keep mango pickle there. Just kidding. Because mango pickles are prone to a lot of errors. So we've taken this container that was cleaned properly and put under direct sunlight for 2 days, just to ensure that there's no moisture left. And also, this is like two-factor authentication. This is step number 2. We are cleaning it with salt, because salt absorbs even the slightest amount of moisture that's left over in the container. So the next step is to put our clean mango pieces in oil, and then we take the mango pieces along with the oil and dip it in our powder mixture. So what happens here is the oil acts as a binding agent between the mango pieces and the powders. So we take these mango pieces along with the powder and then put it into our final container. We do this for all the pieces. And now our container is full. So mouth-watering. Oh my god. And guys, look at the color. I'm craving for some mango pickle right now. So finally, we also put in some oil on top of these mango pieces, and that almost brings us to the end of the first mango pickle, that is the plain mango pickle. Also, I'm not giving out any recipe in this vlog because again, it will be super lengthy. That's the first point. And the second point is, the recipe varies from person to person and from family to family. So each family has a different measurement. Each family has different ingredients put in the raw mango pickle. And this is our pickle. So this is the first pickle, and it's ready to be kept on the shelf for 3 days, because if you keep it aside for 3 days, the mango pieces will absorb all the flavors from the powdered mixture, and the actual pickle will get the sourness from the mango pickle. But I love it on the first day with plain dal, some ghee, and some mango pickle. That is heaven on earth. So our pickle number 2, Novugai, is comparatively a little milder than the original raw mango pickle, and it has a very nice comforting taste too. There are also a lot of other varieties that people make. One other popular one is Magai. Oh my god, my great grandmother used to make Magai so nicely. That taste, I literally didn't see it anywhere. I didn't taste it anywhere else. And that's always my most favorite type of avakaya. So this is pickle number 3, that is mentikai with fenugreek powder. This is comparatively a little bitter, but I love this. So our mango pickles for the entire year are done. I couldn't wait until the 3 days were over so that I can actually taste the exact flavor of the mango pickle. Oh my god. And this is after 3 days. It is always a suspense whether your mango pickle turned out to be perfect or whether it got spoiled in these 3 days. And thank god, all 3 pickles were super perfect. And also, here's a small check. You can see small little bubbles popping up. That's when you know your mango pickle is super perfect. Because these tiny bubbles are an indication that all the flavors got mixed up very well. The mango pieces and the powders are like best friends now, and our final pickle is ready to eat. So this is where my mouth is literally watering, and I have to go and eat some mango pickle in my breakfast, because this is breakfast time when I'm editing the vlog. And just look how beautiful this is. What a beauty, guys, what a beauty. Personally, for me, mango pickle is not just a pickle, it's an emotion. It is very, very close to my heart. It brings out all the nostalgic memories from childhood. It reminds me of home when I'm away from home, especially in the US. It's just the pickles that we feel the most connected to in a different land, in a different country. And also, I thoroughly enjoyed this process of making avakaya. And if you like this vlog just as much as I did, please hit the like button. Comment below on how you actually felt it. Please subscribe, hit the bell icon, and share my video. I'll see you all in the next video. Until then, bye bye.